How to make baked beef and cheese empanada. First things first, let's saute a cup of chopped onions. And then we add the ground beef. Here I have around 700 grams of ground beef. And then we add 2 teaspoons of salt and some pepper. Meanwhile, let's preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then after that, we go back to adding a cup of shredded cheddar cheese to our cooked ground beef. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix thoroughly. Next, we get a pastry sheet, and then we place a spoonful of meat to one side of the dough. And then we fold the dough, and we use a fork to crimp the side of the empanada. And then we place them on a baking sheet. Next, we brush some egg wash on each empanada. And lastly, we sprinkle some sesame seeds. And then it's time to pop them into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's done. Thank you for watching.